Look, I really do appreciate you, Tennessee.gov. I really do. But whoever is in charge of starting road construction right here at the beginning of the school year ought to be benched. Good night. Y'all killing it. Great job, really. And great execution. I'm talking about the Charlotte Hornets of planning committees. Well done. Great job. You know, I wasn't really planning on furthering my own education today, but I think while y'all are over there expanding the roads, I'm just going to be sitting here in my car, expanding my vocabulary. Boy, the words I can't say on a video. Lord, forgive me. I'm going to tell you what. I would rather put them orange cones on my feet and walk my daughter to school than sit here in this mess. I ain't doing it.